Today, if the Asante and Ewe are at each other's throats, it's because of the politicians. They are the ones who stoke these things. The Ashantis are the least tribalistic tribe in this country. Yes. From my traverse, yes. They are the least tribalistic people in this country. It is on that premise. When you go to Kumasi, you have Angloga, you have Fantinius Town. The Zongo started even from there. The Ashantis were welcoming to everybody. They allowed their women to marry from outside of Ashanti.
Nice GH. Nice GH.
Welcome to G-Smile Dental Clinic, your number one dental care clinic in town. At G-Smile, we are dedicated to providing a top-notch and first-class dental care in a very warm and welcoming environment. And our team of good, experienced dentists and staff are always ready to give out their best and personalized attention and good treatment to each and every patient as they really deserve. Yes, they really deserve. Our services include fillings, teeth whitening, teeth cleaning, extraction, artificial replacements. We also treat tooth decay, tooth fracture, gum diseases, bad breath, dry mouth, and many more. We work from Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We are located at Kumasi Ayija, Street opposite Ayija Hotel Moonlight. For more inquiries or to book an appointment, contact +233-208-62-3181 or +233-533-982626. G-Smile Dental Clinic. Good oral health is good general health.
Yo, Busia. Me bisa wasem baako. Me bisa se. Ebia obia o de edin bi eto ba. Ya, ebi obi tim ga se edin we de ye me de. Edin we de ye me fe. Edin we de ase me hu se obi de saa. Me so me nya na ka me so me de mba to saa. Na wo hu ase kire. Na me bisa se denti na Asante din no onfa bi ento ma. Dentia na Asante din de onfa bi ento ma. Asem yenya wanwa. Nsa asem na nwanwa pa because obadwene won se ebi wo okro beka sa Asante din na kra minim de kire. No kre. But with him say Asante din na nkasa so e Bible mu de. Me kire wo ne. Asante din nkasa ye de e Bible mu. Eno na wo say wo de to ma ne wa ase kire so. Edin a yedi kan boy tete ai watch onim ancient Egyptians no enye na Egypt no na won de toto o ma no we prove kire yen say the Asantes are the real Israelites. Israel for konkron no eni Asante nti so de Asante din to ba e Asante din anas eye ososoro anas twedi ampon edin na ade ato ma no na ebia minsem no se de music kan be o na kakra prophet bi afa no Pastor Obed e de nsem bi atodwa wa chechire nsemu ayi yedin na like e wo Bible mu ya Asante din ankasa no yes na memo akwa kotie sa nsem no aba yenko tima se de be ya me ba me kire wade o de yenhwe ba.
Yes, verse 26.
And Ahijah.
Hanan. Now, the word Ahijah, check it in the Hebrew and see how it is mentioned. Etienne. Etienne, would you have Bible more?
Your name is in the Bible.
And only your friend Ahijah, Bronina said within Amawa.
That is the name Ahijah in the Hebrew. The whites have corrupted your name.
Let's look at Anan in the Bible. Nehemiah 10:26.
Oh, God is there. And Ahijah, Hanan, Anan.
These names that we carry are Hebrew names. Let me show you another one. Yao. Exodus. The book of Exodus. Yao. The book of Exodus. Yao. Exodus 15:22. Read.
Exodus 15 verse 22. So Moses brought Israel from the Red Sea, and they went out into the wilderness of Shur. And they went 3 days in the wilderness and found no water.
Read again.
So Moses
start from verse 21.
From verse 21. And Miriam answered them, Sing ye to the Lord, for he had triumphed gloriously. The horse and his rider had he thrown into the sea.
Now, you know the word Yah is the same as Yah. Check it out and see this. And the Lord did what?
And the Lord sing ye unto the Lord, for he had triumphed gloriously. The horse and the rider had he thrown
Check
into
the word, the Lord, Yahweh, Yah. And it's the same way that the guns respond when they pray. Yah, Yah, Yah. Same thing. I want to show you some more names. Can we look at Asor in the Bible? 1 Kings 15, verse 8 and verse 9. Asor in the Bible. And Matthew 1, verse 8. Asor. 1 Kings 15, 8
First
and
Kings
9.
15, 8. And Abijam slept with his fathers, and they buried him in the city of David. And Asa, his son.
Check the word Asa. Check it out. Check it. See it. In Hebrew. As it makes it's not Asa. 1 Kings 15, 8.
Asa.
Asa. Let me give you some more names. I can't names.
Matthew 1 verse 8.
Yeah.
Asa begat Jehoshaphat, and you see the same thing there. When
Same
you
thing.
Agree.
Asa.
Asa.
Are you a name? Let me show you your name. Joshua 15:50. A name.
Joshua 15, verse 50. And
Yes.
Anab, and Eshtemoth, and Enim.
And a name. Do you want some more names? Let me give
Someone
you
is
some.
asking, man of God, what about the name of Paul? Are they already people are sending in their names for you to for you to decode?
Let me show you Asari. 1 Chronicles 4:16. Asari. 1 Chronicles 4:16. Asari.
That's Chronicles 4:16. And
Yes.
the sons of Jehalelel, Ziph, and Zipha, Tiria, and Asariel.
And Asari. When I did no aqua so Asari. Asari would do a Bible what it.
Sorry, your name is in the Bible.
Mami Sancho Dodu.
Aha. Edina wote ye ne nyina no abo asari wom. Till enim wom. So all these things are real Israelites. Me yes e bia mbetena keke my research. Me hu se ampa no kre say asantidi no ni nyina wo Bible mu. Na ma me kyerɛw ade ba ko e wa ha. Ancient Egyptians no ene Hebrew language no ensema ye kan ye so ye kan wo ede e wo ha. Me di to screen nchen no ahwe. Ma bo boss wo ede acho na watie nie. Ampa be mo awhyemu ahye wo nkran say e wo se wo de asantidi ni akan di ni ede eto ba. Enya sem keto akra na ma me nkyerɛ obi. Wo hwɛ ancient Egyptians edin Kufo yeto Kufuo ana Ekufu. Omo de no spelling no KHUFU. That's the Hebrew. But ye de ne KUFOU and as AKUFFO. Kufuo or Ekufu. That's the Hebrew and the Asante difference. Me show you. What's you say? Usha Frau. And I say Frau Egypt and I say ancient Egypt no na omo nsuo and I say omo nsuo a na omo worship and I say omo som te say de ha ye won nsuo ahodo na ye gi tumi wo ma na ye gi de etwedi ampo na de to ho no enum ba ko na Frau ha say yeso ye frɛ de Frau ye ta akra de ebu be say se udi adwen da echi a obɛhwe Frau busa ho say dey Omonso eka ka just so that's the Hebrew so but kra yes you kra so ti asemi pa me sure say me akasa me sister Jackie Israel utie me sere wa wada Roma utie video we a minim say dey a wa ho ache die enyoma bi se be fa wasum nti me sere say wo bia de fema mo WhatsApp na bi sa kra me ba bebo ama amanfo hu mba be boa mamamfo mba be say voice kwa na be ya mba be boa mamamfo tie me da se na mame ko seti na ye Egypt ahemfo ni bidin ye ka sachi e wo ha ti asem ye omo ka Memphis na ye city e wo ancient Kemet Egypt no yeso ye ka manfe ti asem ye pa ye ka manfe wo ha ena omo ka Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun. Yes, you can Tutankhamun. See, assembly pa. Ye ka omuka Amon-Ra, just a god of the sun. Yes, you can Amoria. That's the same giver of sun. So what is the difference? Amon-Ra, God of sun, and you can Amoria, giver of sun. What is the difference? For Santidin Toba, for Santidini akan din etoba. Say your buno, say your fantio, say your deu, for kind toba. She has seen you pa. Almost I cannot. Pharaoh ahimfuni bi no ye ka Pharaoh Hebrew ma che se wo hene. Yes. Yes you ka akenten. Oh difference no. Ti asem ni o. Omo ka paw eno so ye ahimfuni bi yes you ka apaw. What is the difference? For Santidin to mano. Ne jai pure black children now will bear the white name. Ti asem ni ba. Afei ye ka omo ka jare, ye ka ejare. So you can Jerry. Omoka Jerry, Omo answer DJARY, and yes, AGYARY. Yes, Siasemi pa. Omoka Kakari, yes, you Kakari. What is the difference? Omoka Mushu, yes, you Musu. And your one, Messiah kind for Ashantis are the real Israelites. Untiasiana. Fa Kendi to Mano. Yes. Ena yeka Tutmosis Hebrew ye de no yeka tutu mose ti asem ni pa me kirew Egyptian ankh no Egyptian ankh no ye kan ankra edin ankh na me ankh na to Egyptian ankh na ayese na eno na ye de kire the mother the womb yes and the man no and the sanso kire light eno na mo hwe ya mo de modi the shape of bulb no yes ti asem ni pa ankh no ye ka ankra menu omo so ka menu kwaku menu e Bible ma Hebrew word na me boso nsem so mo ye wonama anase ye omo kan nama ye kanana yes ye kanana atten that's omo God of justice yes ye kan atten judgment omo kakai yes ye kakai and omo baby of Hawari Iris and I say Hawari a distant town in Egypt and yes you can a Hawari the place is far omoka sorry June month as also Nile rises she said many musu yes you can sorry rise mina omoka mina my mother yes you can mina my mother mina ni major Osiris you can't sorry and young one so for no so kind the same thing in Bible nim so obekaya na mamefa unko tia yeso yakatia anima omuka anima omuka pra yeso yakapra. Wow, this is beautiful. Renting a mention say it was said what they are santidin de eto omano nti asantidin ye edian e free chonim konkron to the to maso a unye boni bia fa asantidin to omano yesrewa hwe edin yewura ma mefa yewura nya example tutu o say tutu nyame kese na ye kano. So people don't understand. I want you to understand. Yes. Miankasa me mame anase miankasa me nua me sister. Panyini ayefe no na hema adepa sika. Ono ankasa be kira ade we mu a kire se. Nyame kese. Ye ka nyame kese a ye de ato yewura so na enye din keke. Nyame kese is a God. People don't understand. The name Tutu stands for Nyamekese. Ti asem ni pa. So oko Google kra na obo the meaning of Tutu. Tutu now. Ebeka che say it's a depiction a depiction of Tutu as a lion with a human head wearing the double feather crown, the solar disc and ram horse. Sana or appear. Ti asem ni or appear like that. Or appear like that. Tutu no na husuo ene na bosuo said you sometimes you see or tie appear no sa na tie na no na okọ wani ma on say yewura tenase bia na jata bi ede na ni me de beto screen nche no ahwe na jata bi ede na ni won tie ase. Yes, me show the true meaning of why it is said e be hu a wan koka no say we mu de ya bosom sem da bi e odoma nkoma sem anytime abe hu ade we bia e odoma nkoma sem tie asem ni pa e odoma nkoma sem enti Nyamekese otumfo Nyamekese no eye ade nyese bia edane so keke be say me the true meaning of Nyamekese no said e be ya what is all kan wan koka say die na oye ye Nyamesem na oye de all kan o kan Nyamekese a enye Nyame bia anase oye Nyame bone oye Nyame a o tire na eyeye enti da bia what is all kan Nyamekese a this is what it means. She doesn't meant harm. We ena me kire wa mo ate nyoma bi ase se wate ase Nyamekese no aha so onti ase a enti uko Google na obo Tutu a asema Google be ka kire say Tutu was an ancient god ti asem ni worshipped by ordinary people all over Egypt during the late period. Tio ti asem ni pa. It also stands for the titles. And I said titles, yeah, Tutu no. That's how it's also. But Egyptian Asian almost spelled TWTW, Tutu no. What you say? Now one thing that someone here very interesting is say, almost say Tutu no. Enye say bia edane so kwa. Na oyo bia nipa nyina dey edwane toa no. When they are in trouble. Ti asem ni o. Aha, so nipa nyina dey edwane toa no, that's Tutu. Nti ye kanya Nyamekese na emamu nye se oh ye de ba ade kura like ye de ba ade so ase nti emamu try say bia obeka Tutu. And one thing so esa like people don't understand say ono ne yed ne pam ahohombone ene ahohomfin Tutu no na he like his power and protection against demons and evil forces. Tutu's iconography also include other symbols like the lion's head, crocodile and cobra, further like reinforcing his role as a protector and master of demons. Ti asem pa. Nti Tutu ye obia na ye worship no. And after Tutu was a protector god. Tutu a protector god. Nti o say Tutu Nyamekese na ye ka no. Enye din keke otom. O say Tutu Nyamekese nye din keke. O say Tutu Nyamekese nye din keke. Tutu is an Egyptian god. Yes, he is a god na omudwane to no. Whenever and I say like oh he is a god of protector. Minim say dey a obechim. Na I'm sure say be a video you be post here na bibisa so far santidin eto ma no. Tutu is not just a name or a word. For santidin to man carry power, a carry weight. What you say? A carry weight. People don't understand. Yes. It's memo obi anya dey and Adam. Memo obi na Adam. Tutu is not just a name. Or you be a god of protector. Inti fa santidin to ma no. Mesrewa wadaroma na e carry power, e carry weight. Na ade ba ko a esan so ade ba ko esan so hye min kran ya na da bia beka. Na me so mpese me kire ne se ana me pese me kirem na obi amfa santidin ne akandin ne bi nto ne ma no. Ade ba ko esan so hye min kran ne se edin no ye adwuma. Edin ye adwuma. Pa. So monte ne omase ema monka ne saa keke nti mote se ye maame oka anase ye maame oka nyame kese a opa che se anase nyame kese ne ye God of protector ti asem ni nyame kese is a God of protector enye se ebia keke nti ye wrate o se tutu nyame kese na eya ye kan enye se ebia ya ade keke is a God enei uko Egypt se ya they have a monument omude ye nkai dum wo ho a ukwa obehu he was a God ana omunyina adwane toa whenever there's a problem, whenever there's an issue, spiritual issue. So no wonder say I say BSC asantimemu a ono na ne ho na eko. So wonti ase ya ye kan asem bia ya na wonti ase. Enti na wo de fa ba bia emfa no. Ti so no pe kan twa. O kan na twa. Nti ne o ma ase. Enye say bia ye fa adin ane de ato obi so. There be the Asantis know it. What me say, I will come and explain this from why they name Monday, Juada, Tuesday, Benadane Sanyu Manina. I will explain them to you. So you understand further. Me chow new memoir where they won't want the intuitus will be Kabibia, men cocas nipa way bon some there be. One here, Johnny Tuano. Na ebia na problem no. And as a sosino, wait me on board more solve. Men I make a chum, tutis or can I make a sia run to. Na ebusuame 217 so dia mawa na me ka say G smile iku omo ese ho ban na omo se ese ombo ho ban me say o betimi ama wo se ne so na mu a me na me ka kiro oba kana obi won ma o we na ma no o nam timi hye ne sim left right center no ni ti pai no kra G smile ade ba ko omo sa ya ade omo sa ya consultation on how I was seeing betimi ai kama tit whitening cleaning any ade when me see na aye white sa no an na aye white sa no ni nyina aye G smile. So all these people and as omo wo man mu omo bo adwuma, people don't know them, but I am throwing more light on them so that you can see and believe that omo eja omo number na da me screen nchen mesrew bia was sim problem bi obi antimi solve ma omo betenete me na me ka chiro metimi de me sense mbo adi adanse. Yes, na me twaso a opinion bi akasa or say pro tribal ye least tribalistic they are not tribal one, like even not like there's no tribal thing in their DNA.
You know, differences,
tribal sentiments.
My world. You know, listen, I'm Ever. I was born and bred in Koforiba. I have traveled all the regions in this country. The Ashantis are the least tribalistic tribe in this country. Yes. From my traverse, yes. They are the least tribalistic people in this country. It is on that premise. When you go to Kumasi, you have Angloga, you have Fantini Town. The Zongo started even from there. The Ashantis were welcoming to everybody. They allowed their women to marry from outside of Ashanti. Today, if the Asante and Ever are at each other's throats, it's because of the politicians. They are the ones who stoke these things. These things have never been part of our ethnic or whatever in this country. It is the politicians.
Interesting.
Yes.
Na akutie no busua. Penifo se kakum ejene kokuo no. Yes, men kasa bibiri. Ade me pacha ne se. Enende di kan subscribe. Share. Afeso. Mesrewa adaru mabod eyi hu dawru. Channel yi hu dawru mu obi nti. Said ye be ya mso be join the big family, the nice people. Me da se pa so share me. Ye share comment section wona yi ni nkomo. Me da se pa makram.